India's first automated bat monitoring system, Baticomo, developed by IIH's Bangalore, is India's first real-time automated system for bat monitoring and detection. Saves significant time. Baticomo dramatically reduces data processing time for bat echolocation calls from months to hours, previously a major bottleneck. How it works. Baticomo uses ultrasonic microphones, modified AudioMoth, a Raspberry Pi microprocessor, solar power, and Wi-Fi for data transmission. AI-powered analysis. It employs a convolutional neural network, CNN, to distinguish bat calls from other sounds and classify them by species based on call structure. Detailed output. Generates spectrograms, audio files, and species-specific statistical data on bat calls, frequency, and timing. Impact on research. Baticomo allows researchers to focus on bat ecology and ask more in-depth questions instead of being bogged down by data processing. Globally significant. Experts suggest that Baticomo's inbuilt recording and call classifying unit could be a milestone in global bat research. Cost-effective. The core system is designed to be more affordable than advanced detectors and similar systems, making it more accessible. Current limitations. The primary challenge is the limited reference libraries for the calls of many Indian bat species, currently identifies 6 to 7 common species. Future goals. Expanding the system to identify more bat species and creating robust training datasets through collaboration. Application. Useful in urbanization climate.